Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the wildest vehicles Lamborghini has ever built, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome. This isn't just another RV, it's a bold experiment that fuses supercar DNA with the freedom of luxury travel. Let's talk design, because the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome looks every bit as dramatic as you'd expect from the Raging Bull brand. The front fascia carries Lamborghini's signature Y-shaped LED lighting, flanked by aggressive air intakes that wouldn't look out of place on a Revuelto. Sharp, sculpted body lines run the entire length of the vehicle, giving it a low, wide, and aerodynamic stance despite its massive size. The body is built from lightweight carbon composite panels, reducing weight and improving overall efficiency. Active aerodynamic elements, including adaptive vents and a retractable rear spoiler, manage airflow and stability at highway speeds. Massive 24-inch forged alloy wheels sit under wide arches wrapped in performance touring tires for maximum grip. Even the roof is functional, with solar panels integrated into its design to help power onboard systems, making this motorhome as practical as it is jaw-dropping. Interior design. Step inside and you're immediately transported into a space that feels more like a private jet than a motorhome. Lamborghini has spared no expense when it comes to materials. Expect hand-stitched leather, Alcantara accents, carbon fiber trim, and brushed aluminum details everywhere you look. The cockpit is pure Lamborghini, featuring a flat-bottom steering wheel with paddle shifters, a fully digital driver display, and fighter jet-style toggle switches for driving modes. You can switch from Strata for a smooth cruise to Corsa for spirited driving, making every mile an event. The living area is equally impressive. Expanding slide-outs open up a spacious lounge with a 65-inch OLED smart TV and a premium Bang & Olufsen surround sound system. The kitchen is a masterpiece of modern design, complete with an induction cooktop, smart oven, refrigerator, and a climate-controlled wine cooler for on-the-road luxury. Performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is anything but ordinary. Instead of the sluggish diesel engines you'd expect from a typical RV, Lamborghini has equipped this machine with a hybrid powertrain inspired by the Revuelto Supercar. At its heart is a naturally aspirated V12 paired with 3 electric motors, delivering a jaw-dropping combined output of around 900 horsepower. This level of power means acceleration that defies the laws of motorhome physics, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 6 seconds. Power is sent through an advanced 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, ensuring lightning-fast gear changes and smooth power delivery even at highway speeds. To keep this massive vehicle composed, Lamborghini has fitted an adaptive air suspension system that automatically adjusts ride height and damping to suit the road. Torque vectoring and an all-wheel drive setup give it surprising agility for its size, while massive carbon ceramic brakes provide the stopping power needed to tame all that performance. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling winding mountain roads, this motorhome feels planted, stable, and, dare we say, fun to drive. It's the ultimate expression of Lamborghini's fun-to-drive philosophy, now applied to life on the open road. Safety is just as important as performance, and Lamborghini has packed the 2026 motorhome with cutting-edge technology to keep you protected on every journey. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring, all tuned for a vehicle of this size. A 360-degree camera system with night vision and parking sensors makes maneuvering in tight spaces easy and stress-free. The carbon fiber reinforced chassis provides exceptional rigidity and crash protection, while multiple airbags safeguard both the driver and passengers. Stability control, traction management, and electronic braking distribution ensure confidence even in challenging weather or road conditions. This is a motorhome built to deliver Lamborghini thrills without compromising on peace of mind. In conclusion, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is far more than just an RV. It's a rolling statement of power, luxury, and innovation. It combines Lamborghini's unmistakable design language, blistering performance, and cutting-edge technology with the freedom of life on the road. This is a machine built for those who refuse to compromise between thrill and comfort, who want to travel the world without leaving the Lamborghini experience behind. It's bold, it's exclusive, and it redefines what a motorhome can be. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more exotic vehicle reviews, and drop a comment telling us what you think. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.